Begin with an update on the government's new anti-crime social intervention plan, the Zones of Special Operation, as people wait to find out which areas the security forces will enter first to try and stem the crime wave.
The update has come from the Police Commissioner, George Coelho, who said a decision is yet to be made on the first community to be declared under the Zone of Special Operations. Speaking
yesterday evening at a Rotary Club meeting in Kingston, he also said the police would not let up on efforts in crime hotspots island-wide. TVJ's Jeline Pearson reports.
When it comes to the first community to be declared under the new Zones of Special Operations law, mum's the word. This despite the recent flare-up of violence in West Kingston and Western Jamaica. The Commissioner did, however, confirm a list of tentative communities to be declared in the future. But for now, the Commissioner could only promise more information in the coming days.
But just to say to you, our efforts continues in Hanover and elsewhere to rid our society of those who continue to wreak havoc. But what we do, and I've said it over and over, the JSAF, the police alone, cannot fight crime.
The Commissioner did reveal that only 1 or 2 communities would be declared at a time to increase the efficiency of the system.
It is pointless to taking on 3 or 4. So the approach is take on 1 or 2, bring them to a stable state where the other social agency, because the truth be told is that one of the problems we have over time is that law enforcement will go in and stabilize, right? You hold, and then the bill phase is usually where we had some hiccup. But I'm confident this time around, we'll see a different approach.
Commissioner Coelho says he expects the Zone of Special Operations to be labor-intensive in the first instance, especially given the human and financial constraints of the force.
You cannot appreciate that for us to operate the Zones of Special Operations, it is going to require additional resources. And so it is timely that additional resources is made available for us to do a number of things.
The Zones of Special Operations Act was gazetted into law earlier this week and will give the Prime Minister, on the advice of the National Security Council, the authority to declare any high crime area of Jamaica a zone for special security operations and community development measures. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.